everybody, this is the Ship Modelers Library. Today I will show you a book about the flags at sea by Timothy Wilson. This beautifully illustrated guide to the history of flags at sea deals with all the major naval powers during the Age of Sail and describes how flags were used for the all-important functions of identification and signaling. The subject is one which has been obscured by curious myth and misunderstanding about where, when, and why certain flags like piratical Jolly Roger were flown, and this book's clear narrative unreveals these issues. It also tackles such apparently complicated issues as signaling in peace and war. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comment section below which book would you like to flip through in the next edition.